Hello. Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. Thank you for asking.
Great.
So,
How has your day been? Yeah, go ahead.
how have you been doing? How was your day?
Well, my day is going pretty well and I've been doing quite good. What about you?
As usual, busy with my office work.
Mm.
So, your
Yeah.
college has been started or what?
No, it's still online. Like we have our examinations going on. Like I finished with one today and next
Okay.
month I have few. Like one
Okay.
final one. Then I'll probably be done with it. Well, your work is going full fledged now? Like
Pardon?
you're still working from home or your office began?
Yeah. It's still working from home. We got a mail from HR to resume our office. So maybe within 10 days or next 10 days we have to will have to join office from.
Are you excited about it or like you were quite comfortable working at home?
Actually, uh, what can I say, I have become couch, what the word is,
Couch
couch
potato.
couch potato.
Mhm.
So it will be little tough to me to resume the office actually.
Yeah, of course it will be tough for you.
Yeah,
Like it's tough for everybody. Like if I get a notice that I'll have to resume college from like next week, even I would become lazy. Not that
right.
lazy overall, but like going back to college or going back to office after so long, it is kind of overwhelming. We are so comfortable at home, isn't it?
So the hardest pain for my life will be to stuck in a traffic jam in Delhi actually. So
Yeah, of course. Traffic jams is a big thing that too in metro cities.
yes, so it's a relief in a work from home actually. It's a big relief.
But soon everything will be back to normal, kind of. The traffic will be back. The going to office will be back, isn't it?
Traffic is already in the worst situation as soon as the Delhi uplifted some restrictions and all. So people and all the rush is out for everything, for shopping, for going outside. So they have no fear for corona actually.
Yes, absolutely. Like people are, I would say, roaming around as if Corona never happened, as if there was nothing,
Right. Exactly. Yes.
and everyone was just enjoying a vacation at home. Like, have you seen such people around?
The person who
Have you seen such people around who like don't follow any rules, don't take precautions?
lots of, I have seen lots of people like
What's your reaction towards them?
they are just they have been just waiting for as soon as the restrictions will uplifted, they go outside and they already went for what can I say, outing in Manali and all. So don't know what the India will do in future actually.
Yeah, absolutely. Like people just cannot wait or hold themselves back from like going on vacations or like going to restaurants or let's say even having charts and like uh, celebrating or organizing weddings. Like in
Right.
such peak lockdown,
It
even
seems
weddings were going on.
seriously. It seems like people took a oath that I have to bring the third wave actually.
In a way, you can say that. That can definitely be said. Like in my state, precautions have been uh, taken now. Like it was open. The lockdown was completely lifted for like around 1 or 2 weeks, I could say completely. And now again, we are under partial lockdown. In
Right.
the precaution of the third for the precaution of the third wave because we
You are
don't
in
know when.
Indore.
No,
You are in Indore, right?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Okay.
Yeah. So we are again under partial lockdown. Everything will be open only till 4 on weekdays, and on weekends everything will be closed again. Because
Right.
like in major cities
So
in Maharashtra, not everywhere though.
Actually, some new cases for Delta 2 has been uh, found in Maharashtra actually. Yes.
Yes, that is true. And plus the cities like Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, these are like the three major cities we can say, and they were impacted heavily in both the waves. So the governments and the officials here are taking proper precautions now, so that when a third wave comes, like they are at least prepared for it.
Right.
What about Delhi? Like, are they taking any precautions regarding the third wave?
I think no. No one is taking precautions in Delhi actually. So lots of people are having golgappas and all. So there is no. So they are having street foods and what can I say? How
They're
can I say
enjoying
that
themselves.
they are enjoying actually?
Absolutely. Like, is the
So
lockdown completely lifted?
yeah. So gym are open with 50%
Capacity.
capacity and I think PVR is also open with 50% capacity.
Okay. Yeah, like even here, it's the same situation, but like precautions have been started because even like in last 2 weeks, Maharashtra was hit quite badly. Like it was the state with
Yeah.
the highest number of
In
COVID patients.
second wave, right?
Yeah, and second wave was so definitely worse than the first one. It's good like they are taking precautions. I hope like Delhi takes precautions as well for the third wave because it's inevitable. It's being said.
Yeah, everyone is saying that it's inevitable.
Yeah, inevitable.
Inevitable.
Yeah, inevitable. It means that
Yeah,
it's
it
compulsory, it's
can't be
mandatory.
stopped. It can't be stopped. Yeah,
Absolutely, it cannot be stopped. Because if
yeah,
we see like other countries like Brazil, they are facing the fourth wave right now. So they are
yes.
done with the third wave, and yes, the third wave did what we can say affect the children below the age of 18. Whereas even
Okay,
in the UK, scientists have strongly predicted that the third wave is about to hit. We cannot say anything about US because the Pfizer vaccine that is being given there, it's said to be working, or let's say it's said to be effective on the Delta plus variant that we are having. So let's
but
see.
I think a vaccine is also not much efficient in the third wave actually in outer countries in
Yeah,
foreign.
of course. It is not because like the thing with vaccines is like for one particular virus, one particular vaccine is made. If the virus changes its form,
Actually,
like
virus
now,
is doing mutation and they are
yeah,
changing their behavior and all. So
hmm,
vaccine is
absolutely.
not working as much as it can be.
Hmm. That is the thing. For every single mutation, then we have to have vaccine for it, and vaccine takes a lot of time
But
to be made.
doctor also said that this mutation has happened in order to this vaccination actually.
Like the mutation, we cannot control that. No one can control a
Yeah,
mutation.
actually, the doctor said this mutation is the only option for this virus because if anyone has vaccinated and got a hard immunity, so virus has mutant itself
Yes, the virus has to mutate itself in order to infect.
has to
Absolutely.
mutate.
That is why the viruses are like getting stronger. That we have so many different variants. Delta, now Delta plus. Now Delta stands for like four. Right?
Yes.
So we can say that the virus has mutated at least more than 4 times. So that is very important. Of course, viruses do that. That is their nature.
So
But
what
for
do you think?
yeah, go
What do
ahead.
you think what do you think it will be our future for 10 or 15 days? What for 15 years? What if it become mutant? Then what should we do in future actually?
Well, that is a very good question in the first place. Now, what can we do is like there are different viruses. If we still see, like you might have heard of swine flu. It comes up
Yeah, swine flu.
like you don't have the cases of swine flu every time, or let's say every year, but suddenly after a couple of years, you can see there's a increase in the swine flu cases
Yes,
suddenly.
yes,
Yeah, and like even other viruses like that. So COVID can also become one of those. Like if we take proper precautions and everything, it might be possible that the cases will go down very low and would hardly be detected. And suddenly, maybe
But
after 2 or 3 years, there would be a let's say span of a couple of months where the cases would increase. And then again,
right.
we can take precautions. And this might go on. Like we cannot predict it because we
But
still have not
it will
found.
exist for a long time actually.
Yeah, definitely. If it's mutating so fast and it's so infectious, then of course it is
Right.
here to stay. It is not going to go away that fast.
That would be the only option for us.
Yeah, absolutely. That is so true. But we have to take precautions. That's all we can do. There's nothing much that
Yes.
we can do about it.
Right.
Well,
Right.
well, we got off talking quite well, but we also have a very interesting topic lined up for us today to have a conversation around, and that is helping a
Yeah.
friend move in. So, do you want to stick to the topic or talk about something else?
But I got the topic. It's a superhero, I think.
Oh, you got superheroes. Well, I got a
Right.
different topic. Okay, we can talk on
How come?
superheroes if you want to. Well, I don't know
No
how that
issue.
happened.
No issue. What was you suggested topic?
The topic I received was helping a friend move in. That a friend is
Okay.
moving in your city. But superheroes is a much interesting topic, so we can have a conversation around that if you want.
You must be already had a discussion on superhero, right?
Yeah, I've had discussion both the topics actually,
Yeah.
multiple discussions on both. So
Okay.
whichever topic you're
So
comfortable.
anyone?
Okay, let's talk about superheroes. It's much interesting. So who is your favorite superhero?
So I used to watch Shaktiman. So I think on my age, everyone fond of Shaktiman that time.
Hmm. Yeah, I would
That
agree to
was the
that.
only that was the only superhero and that the serial that everyone want to watch. And
Absolutely.
we had to rush to home from school to reach as soon as possible.
Of course, like because there's a timing and like you would not even want to miss even the starting of the episode.
Yeah.
This does
Yes. Yes.
happen.
So who is your superhero, please?
Well, my favorite superhero. Well, there are
Yeah.
many. I can. It's very difficult to name one, but like I'm more. I could say now. I also watch Shaktiman a little bit, but I am
Hmm.
mostly fond of watching the Western superheroes like the Avengers and everything.
Okay.
Have you watched Avengers? Are you fond of it?
No, I didn't watch actually.
You've not watched Avengers.
No.
Okay, Avengers is Marvel Comics. Have you watched any of the DC ones like Spider-Man, Batman?
Yeah, Spider-Man was Batman. Yeah, right.
So one of the from the Western ones, which is your favorite superhero,
I think it's Spider-Man.
and why so?
Uh, their way of helping others and actually we got easily to watch this serial,
Hmm.
so that's why
Okay, so you watch Spider-Man serials like the animated one.
animated one.
Yeah, even that used to come a lot, and there were like different kind of super Spider-Mans as well, like
Yeah.
multiverse, and they would travel dimensions and everything. Have you ever read superhero comics?
No, not.
Well, neither have I, but like many people like who are fond of reading comics, they say that comics are really
Yeah,
better than like watching.
I read only one comic that was Chacha Chaudhary.
Yes, even I've read that. Even I've read
Yeah,
that. That was quite interesting.
Sabu and Chacha Chaudhary.
Yeah, of course. Like that is a very Indian
So
one, and they even had a serial, like animated one, and even like the one with the actors and everything based on that.
yeah, so that time we had to take it on rent actually. So they gave on rent for 1 rupee, I think, for 1 or 2 days.
Nowadays, that doesn't happen. Like because of the phone, like you can just download whatever
Yeah,
you
you
want,
can
whatever
download
books,
everything.
comics, even like
You can
movies you
download
can
each and
download.
everything. Yes.
If you
Okay.
had a
So
chance, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. Please, please, you go ahead.
You were saying something. Please continue.
Just want to ask that if you support private, what can I say? What the word?
Piracy.
Piracy. Piracy.
Well, I'm not that
Uh,
fond of watching everything. Like if there's, let's say, a movie on Netflix or something, and
mm-hmm.
I don't use Netflix or Amazon Prime or any of the OTT platforms. I would
Right.
rather not watch it. Like rather,
Okay.
because the thing is, even if I want, I cannot find it.
Okay. So you
That
don't
is
ask
the thing.
any friend or any relative that if you have any downloaded version of that series or serial. So could you please help with this? You don't do that.
No, not much, because even if I do, even if I get, I don't have much time to really watch it. And like my cousins or friends, if they have an account, then we plan a day and we sit and we watch a movie, because so that
So
we have
like
enough time and everything.
my subscription was expired and I want to watch Family Man.
Hmm.
So my friend helped me with downloaded version of Family Man.
Okay, that is great. So, like, did you watch The Family Man too?
No, not yet, but
You
I
watched the
want
first
to.
one.
Yeah,
I've
I
watched the
watched the
first
first
one
one.
as well.
Yeah, first one is the
Really good,
pretty good actually. Yeah,
very good. Like even the reviews for the second one are pretty well. Like I'm planning when my cousins will be free and like we
yeah.
will have time, we would
Actually,
watch it because it's long.
Manoj Bajpayee is a very fine actor, so he
Absolutely.
just immersed himself in every role actually.
Absolutely. Like it's a treat to watch him on screen, no matter what
Right.
character he's playing. Like if he's there in the movie, that means the
I
movie
think
is good enough.
there are two guys. I think one is Manoj Bajpayee and second one is Pankaj Tiwari. Both guys very fine actors. He he do the justice to his role actually in every role.
Absolutely. I completely agree with you on that. Like we are towards the conclusion of the conversation. I had a great time talking to you and I hope I was of some help. Do you want me to give you some feedback?
Yeah, yeah, please.
Yeah. What I like, you have progressed. I can see that you're progressing. You're getting better in every conversation that we have. To get much better, I would like to suggest is like work a little bit more on vocabulary and keep brushing on the grammar. On grammar, you can focus on tenses right now and like keep
Okay.
working on the vocabulary. It's really helping you, and now you can
Yeah.
definitely like get better at it. So like
Okay.
keep the good work at that and understand the words completely.